Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Just like everyone else, I'm also a DIY person, and I'm going to call this the Saturday morning DIY. These are leftover materials from job sites, or they've been given to us from job sites. Not only the pavers, but the plants as well. And I have taken these plants and cultivated them, made cuttings, and now I'm putting them in the ground here at the office. And this is what it came out to be. So here is a Saturday morning DIY. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.